I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 18 for grade 2 mathematics. First, we will just revise a quick overview what we have done yesterday, and then we will do some more practice for measuring some objects if we are not placing it on 0. Then we will see how we can measure the curved lines, okay, and then we will complete the practice zone, inshallah. Okay, so guys, we learned in the last class that we can measure the objects if it is not placed at 0 centimeter. Before that, you learned how you can measure a object. You placed one end of any object at 0 and you check the reading. You check the other end is reaching up to which centimeter, and you can read the reading and you can say that's this pencil is 13 centimeter long, this razor is 4 centimeter long, and this paper is 2 centimeter long, because they all are placed at 0 and it is very easy to read. Just check the other end reading and tell the answer. It is how you can measure when you placed at 0 end. But when you don't have a full scale, or you don't have uh, a 0 mark on the scale, that's mean you have some part of the scale. How can you measure with that? The answer is yes. It's not necessary to put one end of the object at 0 to measure. Okay, you can measure any object by placing one end of the object at any point of the scale, but it should be like between the scale. If I place this stapler from 12, so it will be out of the scale because the scale is 15 centimeter long. In between, from 5 to 15, I can place anywhere, right? So how we can measure that, guys? For measuring that object, we will place one end of that object on any number and we will note down the reading of that number. Like this end is reaching up to 7, so we write 7 centimeter. Now we will check the other end is reaching up to 14 centimeter. I'm repeating it again, guys, for you. You check the first end, that is 7 centimeter. The first end is 7 centimeter, and another end, the second end of it is on 14 centimeter. Now, in order to check how much long this stapler is, what you will do, you will check between these two ends how many number of centimeters are there. As you know that every number is centimeter here. This is 7 and this is 14. From 7 to 14, how many numbers are there or how many centimeters are there? For that, you will count one by one. From 7 to 8, there is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So from 7 to 14, there are 7 centimeters. So you will say, sir, this stapler is 7 centimeter long. Again, guys, the first step is to place it any number. You placed it at 7, note down the reading of 7, then check the another hand. On the other hand, it is 14. Okay. Now you will count from 7, check. You will check how many centimeters are there from 7 to 14. After 7, what comes? 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So you will count in ones. You will check 7 to 8, 1 centimeter, 8 to 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are total 7 centimeters from 7 to 14. In that way, you can do it. This is what we learned, right? We also started practicing for this by drawing line. Okay, today we will do some more practice related to this. First I want to ask you, is that clear to you how you can measure any object when you don't place that object at 0?
Yes.
It is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very good, guys. Now you will have to tell me that how much long this triangle, this rectangle is. Again, guys, what you will do? You will check the first end, check the second end, and then you will check that how many centimeters are there in between from first end to the other end. And you have to tell me the answer. So I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box. Muhammad, very good. Muhammad, very good. Ali Nizar, very good. Umar Shahir, very good. No Ayat, Hamedo, very good. Arsh, very good. Mashari, very good. Sharif, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. No Saiba. Saud, no. Muhammad Al Sagir, very good. No Ayat. Saud. Badar, I tell you the page number. It is page number 126, but because I'm giving, we are practicing, that's why we are on page number 125 as there is a big ruler. Amal, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Muhammad Sami, very good. Khalid Abdullah, 7. Iyad, 7, no 7. Saud, 6, no 6. Asr, very good. Ahmad, no. Okay, who is there now? Saud, I know you know the answer. You know the answer. Rafiq Samir, very good. Suleiman, very good. Muhammad Saeed, very good. That's very good, guys. You know the answer. Now, let's change the length of this rectangle. Now, guys, check the length of this rectangle and tell me. Check the length of this rectangle and tell me. It is not 15 centimeter. Check it. I tell you how you will check. Wait. Check the first end, another end, and then count how many centimeters are between these two ends. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Arsh, very good. Muhammad Al Sogir, very good. Suleiman Al Suhebani, very good. Umar Shahir, very good. Mashari, very good. Muhammad Asad, no. Ayan, no. Muhammad Sami, no. Saud, no. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Saud, no. Sharif, very good. Hamedo, very good. Adam Khalid, no. Muhammad Asad, very good. Ahmad Hassan, no. Manthar, no. Saud, no. Muhammad Sami, very good. No, Saud. Yeah, directly tell me the answer. Meraj, no. Alright, guys, I'm going to take one of you who will help me. Badar. Can you hear me, Badar? Badar, can you hear me? Muhammad Saeed. Muhammad Saeed, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad Saeed. Please tell me the length of this rectangle. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the length of this rectangle? Yes?
I
Okay.
can.
Tell me then. How you will check? Tell me the length. Yes?
11.
11. How do you know 11?
Because
Hmm?
therefore will be 5.
Oh, yes?
Therefore will be 5
Hmm?
plus 10.
Plus 10. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. I know you know it. Very good by Muhammad Saeed. Let me take one more student. And I'm going to take um, Amjad Muhammad. Can you hear me, Amjad Muhammad?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amjad Muhammad. Can you tell me the length of this rectangle?
Sir, 15 cents or
Yes?
more? 15 cents. Centimeters.
Just tell me the length of this. Amjad, you are taking too much time. Ahmad Al Rufai. Can you hear
Yes.
me? Yes, Ahmad. Can you
Yes.
tell me the length of this rectangle?
Rectangle.
Yes, length. This length.
Okay. Um.
Yes.
15 centimeter. 4.
Yes.
15.
15 centimeter you are saying? No. Look, Ahmad, I repeat for I will help you to complete it, okay? Check the first end. This end is reaching which number? Which centimeter? This is 4 centimeter. And another end is reaching up to which centimeter? 15.
Um.
Right?
15.
Now you will
12.
check how many centimeters are between from 4 to 15. So 4 to 5. 1.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
5 to 6. After 1, what comes? 2.
2. 3.
6 to 7.
3.
3.
3.
7 to 8.
4.
4. Very good. And 8 to 9.
5.
5. 9 to 10.
6.
10 to 11.
7.
11 to 12.
8.
12 to 13.
9.
13 to 14.
10.
And 14 to 15.
11.
So what is the answer?
11.
11. 11 centimeter. So you can say,
11
sir, this
centimeters.
rectangle is 11 centimeter long.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good. This is for all of you guys. How you have to do? You check the hand. The first was 4, then another was 15. Then in between, you count how many centimeters were there. You start counting from 1. So the last one is 11. And if it is placed at 0, then no need to worry. Just you will check the other hand. But if it is not placed at 0, then you have to check. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am on page number 126 again. I am on page number 126. Who is there? Close your mics, please. Okay. So we have checked the length of a stepper was 7 centimeter. You can also use a ruler to measure the length of a straight and curved lines. Now, guys, we are learning that yes, we can measure the length of a straight lines also and the curved line also. So you can see in the book, page number 126, there are two lines. Okay, you can check on the you can check in your book page number 126, and you can check and you can tell me that this green line is how much long. Okay, there are two lines, this blue line or this red line. So you can tell me that this line is how much long. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute and then I'm going to open your mics and then you have to tell me. I will open all of your mics. So it is starting from 0 and look, the second end, I'm talking about this line. It is reaching up to here. So this line is dash centimeter long. Yes, guys, blue line.
8 centimeters.
12, 12,
8
12, 12,
centimeters. No, 8 centimeters.
Those students who are saying 8, they are right, and one of the student was saying 12, he was wrong, because I am asking about only blue line. Look, the blue line is starting from here, it is placed at 0. Okay, so I will check the last end, it is reaching up to 8. So this is the length of this line. So this line I can say is 8 centimeter long. Okay, now if I ask you about this red line, so you have to check the length of this red line. So guys, I will help you to measure the length of this red line. I will check, this is reaching up to 5. So look guys, it's the starting point of this line is not 0. The starting point of this line is 5 and the ending point of this line is 13. Now what I will have to do to count these, to check how much long is that, I will check how many centimeters are between 5 to 13. 5 to 6, 1. 6 to 7, 2. 7 to 8, 3. 8 to 9, 4. 9 to 10, 5. 10 to 11, 6. 11 to 12, 7. And 12 to 13, 8. So you can see guys, there are total 8 centimeters in between. So you will say, sir, this line is also 8 centimeter long. I have received the answers in the chat box from Muhammad, Sharif, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Al-Saghir, Muhammad Sami, Suleiman, Ilyas, and Abdul Rahman. Their answers are correct. The both lines are 8 centimeter long. Here we measured the line by both methods. This is the first method when a line is placed at 0, and The red line is not placed at 0, so we used another method to measure the length of red line. So both lines are 8 centimeter long. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Very good, very good. That's very good, guys. Okay, now look at the picture, guys. This is marker. Okay, if you check the marker, the first end of the marker is placed at 0. The second end is placed at another number. Can you tell me the length of this marker? I'm going to open your mic. Can you tell me the length of this marker?
14,
Very good.
14 cm, 14 cm, 14 cm.
Very good, very good, very good.
14.
Very good. Because you will just say, because the first end is placed at 0, so you will just check the last end. It is reaching up to 14. So you will say, sir, this marker is 14 centimeter long. But guys, what about this earthworm? If I ask you to check the length of this earthworm, can you check the length of this earthworm by placing one end of this to 0 or this? Can you do like this to measure it?
Yes, sir.
No. The answer is no.
Yes,
Guys, the answer is no because it is curved line. This is straight. This is straight line, but this is curved line like this. So you cannot measure curved line like a straight line. There is another method to measure a curved line. That method we are going to learn now. Guys, you must know about the curved line. Okay, curved line are not straight like this. This is the curved line. These are the curved lines. If you want to measure the length of these are the curved lines. Do you understand what are the curved lines? Very good. So you cannot measure the curved line as you measure the straight lines. Okay. So for curved line, what you have to do, guys, you need to use a string or a thread to help you measure the length of a curved line. What will be the procedure for that, guys? You will place a piece of string on top of the curved line. Okay, you will take a thread or a string, and on the one end you will put like this. Okay, and then you will check the thread up to the second end of this piece. Okay, let's suppose this is the curved line. You want to know the length, so I place a thread on the one end and I place it like a curved line, and up to the second end I check what is the length of this thread. Then I cut it with the scissor. Now what I will do, I can stretch this, tie this thread on the ruler, and I can check the length of this thread or this string. In that way I can check the length of that string. Let's suppose this is a earthworm. If I want to know the length of this earthworm, what I will do, I take a thread and I place a thread in the same way like a curved line like this. This is a thread. Let's suppose I am placing a thread. Okay, up to here. Now what I will do, after placing it same as the curved line, I will straighten it onto the ruler. When I will straighten it up onto the ruler from 0, and I will make it tight, and I'll check the length of this thread is what. Okay, what I will measure, I will measure the length of that thread or that string, In that way, I can measure the length of the curved line. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Very good. So it is clear to you now that you cannot measure the curved line directly. Okay. For measuring curved line, you need a string or a thread. First, you place a thread onto that curved line, same as the curved line. And then you will check the length of that thread on the ruler. In that way, you can only measure the length of the curved line. Right? So it is clear to you. Okay. Any problem up to here, guys?
no.
No. No. No.
Very good. Come to the practice zone, guys. Page number 127. There is a length, there is a mobile phone, and you have to find out the length of this mobile phone. So the answer is the length of the mobile phone is dash centimeter. I am not going to tell you the answer. You have to tell me the answer. Tell me the length of this mobile phone. This one, guys. Answer me in the chat box. Tell me the length of this mobile phone. Muhammad Asad, very good. Muhammad Sami, very good. Amal, very good. Ali Nizar, very good. Muhammad Sami, very good. Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Farouk, very good. Amjad Muhammad, very good. Saud, very good. Muhammad Ashraf, very good. Khalid Abdullah, Saud, very good. Rafiq, no. Zaid, very good. Muhammad Ashraf, very good. Ayan, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, Asar, Muhammad Saeed, very good. Hamedo, very good. Mantar, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. Saud, Ahmad Al Rufai, very good. As, very good. Mashari, very good. Ahmad Hassan, very good. So I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me the answer. Tell me the length of this mobile phone, guys.
8 minutes. 10.
Very good. The length of this is 10. This mobile phone is 10 centimeter because the and first end is placed at 0 and another end is 10. So you will say it is 10 centimeter. Now you have to tell me the length of this nail clipper. Tell me the length of this nail clipper. Aha, Mashari, very good. Rafiq, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ali Nizar, Zaid, Hamedo, very good. Muhammad Ashraf, wrong. Ahmad Muhammad, wrong. Arsh, very good. Manthar, no. Abdul Rahman, no. Muhammad Asad, no. Ahmad Yusuf, no. Guys, you have to check by checking the same method which I told you. First end is at 4. Second end is at 9. Now check between these numbers how many centimeters are there. Like this. In that way you have to tell me. Complete it and tell me. Muhammad Sami, Oz, very good. No Khalid, no Suleiman, Ayan, very good. Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Sami, very good. Manthar, very good. Umar Shahi, very good. Muhammad Ashraf, very good. Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Saeed Badir, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai, very good. Very good. Amjad Muhammad. It's not 6 centimeter. Okay. So, guys, some students are still not telling me the correct answer. Okay, look, 4 to 5, 1 centimeter, 5 to 6, 2, 6 to 7, 3, 7 to 8, 4, and 8 to 9, 5. So this nail clipper is how much long? I'm going to open your mics and you will tell me. How much long this nail clipper is?
Five.
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 5 centimeter.
Five. Five.
Very good. This is 5 centimeter long. So you will write it 5. Okay. Guys, your homework is to complete question number 3 of page number 128. Question number 3, page 128. Page number 128. This is your homework. You have to complete it in your home. Uh, Sharif Ahmad, I check your message. This is what I am talking, that how we can measure a curved line. Okay, for measuring curved line we should use thread. Okay, and I tell you how we can use thread to measure a curved line. Okay, the earthworm is there because the writer wants to tell you how you can measure the curved line. You cannot measure the curved line same as a straight line. For curved line you need a thread or a string. With the help of a string or thread you can measure the length. All right guys, is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Very good guys. So this is the end of our today's class. Inshallah I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Okay Sharif, I'll take your question in the next class, no problem. Okay, whatever your query is, I'll make you clear, no problem. Take care. Bye bye.